belief that I held on to for way too long early in my journey that stopped me from ever achieving the income goals that I wanted sooner than later on was the fact that I felt I needed more cash and capital to successfully launch my online business. Now, there's a few reasons I was thinking this, but a lot of it to me comes back to the business models that I was looking at as opportunities for me to get my business off the ground. At the time, I was a broke college student with little to no money, and I was looking at business models that required an expense and investment for me to simply get going and attempt to see if it could even work. And if I were to go back and redo this, I definitely would not focus on these models because this is ultimately the step that I took initially after taking a chunk of time to save up that capital and save up that cash with this mindset. And that first journey for me was with Amazon FBA. After investing that $2,500, product sales started to take off in the first week, then they went flat, and then I was in a position where I had to liquidate my inventory and get out of the business. Ultimately, spending months of time, energy, and effort, along with cash, to end up in the same position just a few months later. All of this could have been avoided if I simply would have shifted my belief earlier in my journey. Because at the end of the day, if for me to launch a business, I have to spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 in testing first just to have a chance to make a sale, I'm putting myself in a position to fail as a beginner. And this is why I can strongly encourage and suggest those of you here starting at zero, the best way to start is to look at models such as coaching, consulting. These are offers that you can create based on the skill set that you have now, and in turn, wrap it into an offer that you can go out and sell organically right away.